Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search on Pinterest, but first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First open the app. Here you can see the home page where you can browse the most relevant pins, but if you tap on the search icon at the bottom section, then you can search for other ideas. Tap on search for ideas, type in the word, tap on search, and here you can see the results. If you scroll down you can see more results, and you can refine your search. There are some recommended words in order to refine your search. If you tap on those, then you can see other results as well. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye!